In this video, we are going to write a code for our sketch, that how we can draw our sketch with the help of our webcam, or we can say live sketch. So as we know, this code is used for simple turn on our camera. Now inside this cv2.flip, I will talk about that why we are using our flip. Okay, now we are seeing that flame comma 1. 1 in simply means I can just give you a simple idea of what is flip. Suppose it is our x and y axis. We all know that whenever we on our camera, so our image will be something like that in this area. So we are just shifting our to this direction. So now after flipping our camera, we have to convert our image into gray. For that, we have to use our simple cv2.cvt color. Inside this, we have to pass our frame. Then we have to say cv2 dot color bg to gray. And after converting this, we have to invert our image. For that, we are taking a variable image underscore invert. Now after that, we have to use our function cv2 dot bitwise not. So inside this, we have to just pass our gray function, gray variable. Now we have to just for the smoothing of our image, we are taking a variable image underscore smooth. Then we have to use our cv dot Gaussian blur, and inside this we have to pass our variable, our invert images. So for that we have to pass some parameters randomly. I am taking it. Now suppose sigmax, I am taking it as 0, and sigmax for y, that is also 0. So I will make another video that why I'm taking my Gaussian blur and bitwise not. So in my OpenCV playlist, I will talk about what is the advantage of taking these variables. So for now, with the help of this, we have our gray image and our smooth blur image. So we have to just divide our gray and blur images, Gaussian blur images, so that it will able to draw our sketch. So it will directly remove our color. To just make a simple function over here, that we will say remove. So inside this we have to pass our x and y. X and y will be our gray image and our smoothing image. So we have inside this function we have to say return our cv2 dot divide. Now we have to pass our x 255 minus y. So here we have to just pass our first gray image. So with the help of gray image, we will directly remove our color from our smoothing. Now for now scaling, I am taking my scale as our 80. So it is our very simple function, only one line of code. So we are saying that now our final image. For our final image, we have to just use this function, and we have to pass our gray image, and we have to pass our smoothing image. It is very simple because we have to just flip our frame, and it is our choice that we want to do it or not. After that, we have to just take our gray image, and we have to just apply two steps over here. One it bitwise not, second one is Gaussian blur. After that, we have to just divide our grayscale and our image smoothing. Now our image is ready. We have just run our camera. So for that, suppose now we want to show cv2 dot im show. Inside this we are seeing blur. Now we will say it is our final image. Now we have to just save it, just run it. As you can see, it is popping our two videos. One is our simple video and second is our sketch video. Now suppose you want to take a snapshot or screenshot of our blur image. So we have for that we have to just write a simple code. If suppose we want to click our images in a single folder, for that we have to use our simple os dot path dot exists. Our images folder is created, is present or not. If it is not present, then it will try to create it with the images name. So for that we have to import our os. Okay, os is already there. Now it is very simple. Suppose when I will press my space button, then it will try to take that picture and it will save in our directory. So for that we have to just take our variable. We had to simple take a function known as one, and we are saying that if a percentage 256 is equal to, now we have to take our 27. So it is our escape button. If we press, then it will break the loop. Now we are saying that if elif our button is space button. For space we have a 32 number. For that we have to write a function cv2.imWrite, and our path will be inside a images folder. Now we are saying that Harsh underscore dot jpeg. Now we have to just pass our final image. Okay, it should be dot format. Okay, for now we have to take a variable. Suppose we are taking I equal to 0, because uh, we want a different images. For that it will write a name that Harsh1, Harsh2. So for that we are taking our Harsh I. So after taking a one image, it will try to increase this value. Here we have to pass our final image because we want our blur image to print. So it is fine. This is our code only. Now let's run this. As you can see, if I go in my directory, as you can see, Harsh 0 is created. Again, Harsh 1 is created. Harsh 2 is created. So simply, we can take our sketches with the help of this code line of codes. So this is all about today video. Thank you so much. Bye.